Kenya kwa Ramogi. Sirkal okwa mondo oket maino mar keto kenge mandorore bero chenro mar kit somo manyien mar CBC ne jopuonjre mabiro riwre kod gred mar 9 higa manyien mondo okony jonyuol bende mondo oikre makare. Jokanyo sekta mar somo e kaunti ma Busia kautelegi kod jagoro mar KNUT ma Busia Justin Majale wacho ni obedo kod buoga ne nyaka sani jonyuol kod jopuonjre onge kod chenro mar sirkal gigo madwarore e tayo chenro mar somo mar grade mar 9.
We are seeing the problem that's going to happen is just delivering the government to deliver textbooks and learning materials for grade 9 in time so that these teachers can be prepared and do their job.
A challenge that we have faced as we come to the closure of the term is about the designs and textbooks. Designs, we just received designs last week, whereby we released our children going home without a list of textbooks. This was due to delayed release of the designs.
TSC is at the tail end of recruiting another 20,000 teachers on the contract or internship. They are finalizing on conversion of the 46,000 interns into permanent and pensionable. They are doing an assessment of some of our teachers who are still teaching in our primary schools so that they can support at the junior school. So I can affirm that as government, we are preparing ourselves adequately to be able to ensure that now that cycle of competence-based education is adequately concluded. The first cycle having been PP1 and PP2, second cycle being our primary to grade 6, and now our third cycle, which is grade 7, grade 8, grade 9.